Hi, I'm Scott, your pleasure boat specialist here at International Marine Group of Tampa Bay. Thanks for taking time to check out this video.
We got a brand new 2018 Century 30 Express. Twin 300s. Beautiful boat. Give you a little tour. Up here on the deck we got a huge fish box. Nice size bait well, flip down seat, plenty of storage on the deck space. Believe it or not, you got two berths on this 30 Express. Aft cabin and your V berth up here in the front. Nice little settee over here and a galley. The 30 Express holds 275 gallons of fuel, 30 gallons of fresh water. Also comes standard with a 4 kilowatt diesel powered generator by Panda. You get a 10-foot 9-inch beam. At cruise you can run 32 miles an hour, right around 4,000 RPMs. The burn rate 21.7 gallons per hour, give you a range of 390 miles. Ready to fish, ready to cruise. You got a lot of amenities in this 30 Express by Century.